Winter is here, and with it comes the struggle to keep our skin and hair looking their best. But what if I told you that a few simple changes can make all the difference? In this video, we're tackling winter beauty problems head-on with some game-changing solutions. Stay with me until the end. You won't want to miss these essential tips to keep your glow all season long. Let's get started. Tip 1. Layer moisturizers for long-lasting hydration. Your skin needs extra care in winter because of the cold air and indoor heating. One simple way to boost hydration is to layer your moisturizer. Apply a lightweight hydrating serum, like one with hyaluronic acid or glycerin, followed by a thicker cream. This creates a barrier that locks in moisture, keeping your skin soft and plump all day. Tip 2. Use cream-based makeup for a natural glow. In winter, powder makeup can highlight dry patches and make skin look dull. Switch to cream-based products like blush, bronzer, and highlighter for a dewy finish. They blend seamlessly and feel more comfortable on the skin. You can also dab a little face oil under your makeup to make it even more luminous. Tip 3. Humidify your room to prevent dry skin. One of the reasons skin feels so dry in winter is because indoor heating removes moisture from the air. A simple fix is to use a humidifier while you sleep to keep the air moist and your skin hydrated. It's important to clean humidifiers regularly to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria, which can be released into the air and cause health issues. Tip 4. DIY face mist for on-the-go hydration. Winter days can leave your skin feeling tight. Carry a hydrating face mist with you for a quick moisture boost throughout the day. Mix rose water with aloe vera juice or a bit of glycerin in a spray bottle. It's refreshing, easy to make, and will help keep your skin calm and hydrated wherever you go. Tip 5. Overnight hand and foot masks. Our hands and feet can get extra dry during winter, especially if you don't wear gloves or socks regularly. Here's a quick fix. Apply a thick layer of moisturizer or shea butter on your hands and feet before bed, then wear cotton gloves and socks overnight. By morning, your skin will feel incredibly soft and smooth. Tip 6. Switch to gentle, hydrating cleansers. In winter, harsh cleansers can strip your skin and cause more dryness. Opt for gentle, hydrating cleansers with ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, or aloe vera. These will clean your skin without disrupting the moisture barrier. Avoid using hot water on your face, as it can lead to further dryness. Lukewarm water works best for cleansing during winter. Tip 7. Steam your face for clear pores. Steaming is a great way to keep your skin healthy in winter. Once or twice a week, fill a bowl with hot water, add a few drops of lavender or eucalyptus oil, and steam your face for 5 to 7 minutes. This will open up your pores, making it easier for serums and moisturizers to penetrate. It's also great for relaxing and soothing your skin. Tip 8. Treat your scalp with a weekly oil massage. Winter can cause scalp dryness and flakiness, leading to dandruff. To prevent this, do a weekly scalp massage with oils like coconut or argan oil. Warm the oil slightly, massage it into your scalp, and leave it on for about 30 minutes. This will deeply nourish your scalp and keep your hair soft and healthy. Tip 9. Exfoliate your lips and use overnight lip masks. Chapped lips are one of the most common beauty problems during winter. Start by gently exfoliating your lips with a DIY sugar scrub. Mix sugar with a bit of honey or olive oil. Massage it onto your lips in circular motions. Then rinse. This removes dead skin and helps your lip products absorb better. After exfoliating, apply a thick overnight lip mask like petroleum jelly or a hydrating balm containing shea butter or lanolin. Use this routine 2-3 times a week to keep your lips soft and hydrated. Tip 10. Use SPF, even on cloudy days. One of the biggest skincare mistakes in winter is skipping sunscreen. Even when it's cold or cloudy, UV rays can still damage your skin. A hydrating SPF will not only protect you from sun exposure but also prevent premature aging. Make it a habit to apply sunscreen daily, even when you don't see the sun. Tip 11. Silk scarf or pillowcase to prevent frizz. Winter hats and dry air can leave your hair looking frizzy. Wrapping your hair in a silk scarf or sleeping on a silk pillowcase reduces friction and helps retain moisture, keeping your hair smooth and shiny. It's an easy way to prevent tangles and frizz overnight without any extra effort. Tip 12. Hydrating overnight face mask. Lastly, if your skin needs a hydration boost, use an overnight face mask. Look for masks with ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, or squalane. These ingredients work while you sleep, leaving your skin refreshed and glowing by morning. Use it once or twice a week for the best results. For a homemade mask, a rice mask is an excellent way to hydrate and nourish your skin, especially in winter. Rich in vitamins B and E, antioxidants, and minerals, rice helps lock in moisture, soothe irritation, and improve the skin's natural barrier. Bonus hack: use oats for soothing skin irritation. If winter makes your skin itchy and irritated, try an oatmeal bath. Add 1 cup of ground oats to warm bath water and soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, which helps soothe inflammation, retain moisture, and calm dry, itchy skin. You can do this 2 to 3 times a week, but make sure not to overdo it, as frequent baths can strip your skin of natural oils. If you're short on time, mix ground oats with water or yogurt to create a quick spot treatment mask for irritated areas. And that's a wrap on my top 12 winter beauty hacks. These simple but effective tips will help you stay hydrated, glowing, and beautiful throughout the cold season. Which hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty tips. Stay warm, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.